This is the best tender Lok Lak recipe and always one of our favorite Cambodian cuisines. The flavorful marinated peppery beef on a bed of fresh salad and served with a tangy dipping sauce is just simply delicious. I like preparing my salad first. The most common veggies are cucumber, green leaf lettuce, tomatoes, and sometimes fresh onion. Next, slice up the beef, usually sirloin or ribeye, but here I'm using flat iron for a change. You can cut the beef into thin slices, but I prefer mine in cubes for medium to medium rare cooking. To tenderize tough beef cut, use about 1 teaspoon baking soda with a half cup water, enough to submerge all the meat. Give it a good mix and let it soak for no more than 10 minutes or your meat will be overdone. For the marinade, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 to 2 teaspoons of seasoning soy sauce, a dash of MSG, of course optional, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, lots and lots of freshly crushed black pepper, time to rinse off the baking soda. Already the meat is soft. Baking soda alkalines the meat surface, making it tough for the proteins to bond and thereby keeping the meat tender when cooked. This is optional and not recommended for premium expensive steak cut, but never over tenderize it because it wouldn't taste like beef, seriously. For the dipping sauce, 1 to 2 fresh lime juice. Sometimes I add a teaspoon of fish sauce, a teaspoon of sugar, an MSG, or a teaspoon garlic powder, or a clove of minced garlic. Here I'm just going to use my own chicken seasoning mix, and lots of crushed ground black pepper. And for a twist, some variety of peppercorns. Heat up your frying pan or your wok and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure you coat your pan evenly with oil. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and then the marinated beef in a single layer. Cook for a few minutes. Stir it occasionally until it's cooked to your desired level of doneness. Usually about 3 to 5 minutes for medium rare. I like my extra pepper. And lastly, toss in some onions if you want. And that's it. There you go, your tender Lok Lak. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what you think on the comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and click that like button. Subscribe if you have not. Until next time, have a wonderful one. Thank you.